So what is a pivot door? It's a type of door that until recently was primarily used in commercial applications. Rather than using a traditional hinge that's supported by a structural jamb, it's supported and it rotates along two pivot spindles at the top and the bottom of the door on a single axis. There's some challenges with installing these types of doors in a residential setting, and I want to show you exactly what to do and also what not to do to make this job go as seamless as possible for you. The most critical aspect of this entire process is the planning and the preparation prior to having that door on site. Understanding the specs, calculating your rough opening, and determining the elevation and location of your pivot box is 80% of the job. In this shop class, we will cover a wood floor system install and go over everything from accessing the floor framing, blocking the structure and creating a recess to accept and support the pivot box, locating the pivot box within the recess, shimming and encapsulating the pivot box in a structural epoxy, waterproofing the frame, and creating a proper sill pan flashing assembly. We'll also cover installing the door frame and ensuring it is plumb, level, and square, installing the door panel into the frame and adjusting it, and locating the deck frame and accommodating slope at the exterior transition. When it comes to pivot doors, all manufacturers have their own systems and guidelines. In this shop class, we'll be featuring an Andersen pivot door. With Andersen, all pivot doors are custom designed and custom built to order. They'll walk you through the entire process, and they also offer virtual or on-site installation consultation services to ensure that the builder understands the proper steps and sequencing during planning, preparation, and installation. So with that, let's get started.